Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing the backup strategy that fits your needs and timeline. Select an external drive with at least 500 GB available for full backups. Decide if you will use cloud storage with 100 GB or more for your documents and photos. Also list essential programs and licenses to reinstall after the reset. Write down important folders like desktop, documents, pictures, and downloads to ensure nothing is missed. Next, back up your personal files using file history or manual copy to an external drive. Use the exact folder list you created earlier and copy desktop, documents, pictures, and downloads folders. If you want to restore Windows and installed apps, create a full system image using built-in tools or third-party software. Estimate image size around 50 to 100 GB depending on installed applications and data volume. Finally, verify your backups by opening random files on the external drive to confirm integrity. Create bootable recovery USB media with at least 8 GB using your system tools to reinstall or recover the OS. Record product keys and sign-in information for accounts you will need after the reset. Encrypt sensitive backups if needed and store passwords securely. Safely eject the external drive and store it offline until you complete the factory reset and confirm successful restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.